Professor Edward Rugumayo abigambira mu rukiko rwa Regional Stakeholders Engagement on Citizens Charter mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal. Arukugamba mu rukiko Rugumayo agizirengwa abanyabutegetsi tubarukumbeka nguto amashomero n'amarwaro ngukunkana babyeyetera.
Politicians do not personally build roads, schools or hospitals, but they play an essential role in ensuring that these developments happen. Let me focus on the mandates of our elected leaders to advocate for their constituencies and ensure that national development plans are implemented effectively at the local level.
Rugumayo nagira ngo umwanya gwaba kugumana babiha abantu ngo nibo bombekera amashomero n'enguto bene kutamana habintu ebirukubane bishasha abantu babo,
which include peace, access to quality healthcare, better education for the children, clean water, improved agriculture, job opportunities for youth, inclusion of women, good roads and markets, and accountable leadership.
Edward Itote, Executive Director wa Toro Civil Society Organization Network, nagira ngo batireho rukiko rukwicereza abantu nabesimbire kuganira bakamanya ibintu birukubashasha.
Turora muno hakoma eringu orukara orwabantu abakusemera ku bantu bakombatera akaruru abantu bakarorozere mu kurungi, so acyaraho umwanya hagati yaho barahinsonga ezabantu okurora ngo batalibanizibwa muno habo butini mukano akasumi akokoma sanga ngo amahe na polisi batahere muno mu nsonga zinu kandi abantu nibahura bino kutina kurora bagenda kutera akaruru obwiro mu burabukire
bamumbashira mu rukiko batwire bitekateko byabo.
Reka tube bantu abasidikire okulinda obusinge, reka tube bantu tugende tukome, please hatabaye umuntu weno yasigara tugende tukome.
Akaruru tubuli bwema, akaruru turuli rutaro, akaruru tukuli kujumangana, akaruru tukuli kusisangana. Baitu akaruru nubwo bwiro tugenda kukoma aba beheireyo kwesimba nkanyoka limukagamba kurora ngo tuyihamu abebembezi abarabembera ensi yaitu kushigikira manifesto zabo zibakora batugambira.
Gasha kwa Jonathan Tusingwiri.